Bro, ano yung difference? May difference ba? Yung paglalaro sa PBA versus
UAP.
UAAP?
NCAA, yeah bro. Ibang level yung college. I mean, siguro sa college, mas nagiging competitive siya and mas intense kasi you have a lot of people watching you from schools.
So, parang sinasabi mo, mas competitive
Mas competitive pero sa PBA, sa pros, it's all about lahat ng player doon matatalino man. Like, mas siya, the game revolves more around, kasi kahit sa college kasi marami pang hindi pa matured na players, parang medyo bata-bata pa maglaro, alam mo yun, rookie mistakes, ganyan. Sa PBA bro, walang ganun. There's no type of mga mistakes na ganun na nangyari sa PBA. Lahat matatalino maglaro. As in pro na talaga. So, mas...
Medyo surprising yun for me, na
yeah, bro.
Mas competitive pala sa college.
Oo, kasi mas fired up ang mga players.
Pero gets ko naman kung bakit parang mas competitive.
Mas fired up ang mga players.
Pero when you say more competitive, like, in what sense? Mas mahirap ba maglaro dahil mas competitive?
Mas nakakabalang. Kasi isipin mo, in the UAP, it only happens once a year. And there's only 14 games in the elimination. So, for you to reach the Final Four, which is the semifinals, and eventually magiging finals, you have to win at least, 7 games? I'm not sure.
7 games lang.
6 or 7 games. But that's hard, man. And you can... dalawang round robin lang siya. So you're gonna battle each team twice. And yun. And it only happens once a year. And alam mo, every game, sobrang dami nanonood. Especially kung makalaban mo ang Ateneo, Lasal. Grabe yung factor, man. And lalo yung mga crowd, ibang klaseng crowd doon. Lalo mga alumni. Mumurahin ka talaga. As in bro, wala silang hiya. Mumurahin ka, they're gonna give you signs. Parang dadami pa pamilya mo.
Mas fanatic talaga
bro,
sila.
Grabe talaga. Mga alumni. Mga klase yun, bro. And, yun yung kaya mas naging fired up ang mga players and mas naging competitive yung nature kasi parang gusto mo talunin yung, alam mo to. Kasi ako, I came from NU. Wala masyado nanonood. I mean, compared to before. Ngayon okay na Marami nanonood. Marami nagsusupport. Pero yung time namin, hindi gaano. So, pag mga kalaban namin mga bigger schools like Ateneo, Lasal, yan, UP, yan, UP ngayon, ibang klase. Parang sarap talunin ito kasi ang dami nunood. Kaya andun yung may competitive nature with it.
Saka grabe yung pride pag talagang nanalo kayo.
Iba talaga bro, iba.
So yun, parang, eye-opener sa akin yun. Mas mahirap pala sa like, college basketball minsan.
Kasi,
or mas seryoso. Even though, sa PBA, di ba, andyan yung pera Di ba?
But if you think about it, lahat ng mga players na nandun, ang goal nila is to be pro.
Sa bagay, pagka talagang nag-perform well ka sa college, talagang magiging ka.
Mas higher yung draft stock mo. So, dun ko talaga ultimately na-feel yung pressure of being, an Ildefonso. Especially, ang daming magaling sa college. So, when I was still playing for NU, kaya siya mahirap kasi hindi, especially in your last year, bro, hindi mo lang iisipin na playing for yourself. Hindi mo iniisip masyado yung, well, you still think about playing for the school, pero yung what comes after the season. Like, madadraft ka ba? Mapupunta ka ba ng PBA? Ganyan. And I'm blessed enough na na-draft ako to rain or shine. And, yun, parang, kaya siya mas naging hirap. Clueless ka kung saan, future mo, next stage mo after that. So, yun nga, napunta na ako sa PBA. Sabi ko, confidently naman na kaya sabihin na mas magaling ako ngayon kaysa nung college ako.
Parang ang sarap, no? Yung fitness mo ngayon, yung skill mo ngayon, tas mababalik mo yung time. Maglalaro ka ulit sa college. Papakitaan mo silang lahat.
Ibang klase. Kung gantong state lang ako ng college, man. Iba ngayon. But Ang importante, I'm at the pros now. Nandito ako na ganito yung condition ko, yung physique ko.
Ilang taon ka nun, bro, nung nag-graduate ka sa college?
I think 24.
24.
Yeah,
That, how many years ago?
2 to 3 years
2
ago.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
Having the knowledge na meron ka ngayon, 'di ba? Kung makukuha mo yung knowledge na yun a few years ago, tingin mo kaya mo?
Kaya, bro.
Kaya mo mas mag-peak?
Come on. Easily. And yung last season ko, that was paano pa lang, patapos pa lang yung pandemic.
Okay, mga college basketball players dyan, yung mga gustong gumaling, kontakin nyo ni si Shaq.
Hindi kasi bro, isipin mo, like, ang last year ko dapat sa UAP was 2020. Then, pandemic happened, got stalled for ilang years soon. 2 years? Man, I was at my worst shape. Isipin mo, every night, nakaka-finish ako bag of Lay's. Like, 1 bag. Every night.
Tapos yung training mo, hindi ganun ka hardcore.
Ano lang bro, buhat
lang.
Tapos wala pa kaming court sa bahay. So walang basketball or anything. Ginagawa ko noon, dribbling drills. Yan, dribbling drills. Hindi talaga na. Bumili pa ako nung yung lifetime na adjustable court. Lalagay ko lang sa kalsada. But that was not it, man. Ano ako nun? Kain, puyat. Tapos yung workout ko pa, walang wisho. I mean, sige, today, bicep curls ako. Today, takbo lang ako. Sobrang, I think, mabot ako 220.
Ngayon, what's you're 6'1" and you're right now?
Right now, I'm a lean 180.
180.
Yeah. With 11% to 12%.
Body
Kasi
fat.
fluctuate ako eh. Pero, ang importante may six-pack. Tsaka, ano tawag dito? Yun nga, ang ganda ng tanong mo, kung nadala ko lang yung values na yun dun sa last year ko. Different, bro. Like, iba talaga. Iba yung condition. Kasi, yun nga, yung last year ko pa lang. Yung last year ko na yun. Galing akong pandemic. Kaya yung shape ko that time. Bulky. Yan, mabigat. Pero, I think I did okay naman with my last season. Even though it wasn't that great, at least at least masasabi ko na I gave everything to NU into my last years.
Sabi nga nila, best effort is full victory.
Yeah, man. At the end of the day, I think, kahit matalo ka, even though you didn't make, alam mong binigay mo.